in the xy plane, does the line with equation y equals 3x plus 2 contain the point RS? So what is this asking? This is saying if we plug R in for x, is y equal to s? In other words, it's asking, can we write this equation as s is equal to 3r plus 2? Um, this is our question. So let's look at so for our statements, it looks like we got these crazy looking factored quadratic type equations. And so don't freak out necessarily. We don't have to, even though it might seem like a coordinate geometry question, we don't need to know what these graphs look like or anything like that. We just need to keep in mind what our question is asking. Our question is asking is S equal to 3R plus 2? So based on this, so each of our statements is written as these factored products, and they're both equal to 0. So from our first statement, what is this telling us? This is telling us either 3R plus 2 is equal to S, because that would have to be true for this guy to be equal to 0, or 4R plus 9 is equal to S, or both, I guess. So at least one of these has to be true. So is this sufficient or insufficient? Well, it's insufficient because it's possible that S is equal to 3R plus 2, but if this is true, it's also not possible that S is equal to 3R plus 2. So this is insufficient because we got two different values for S. One of them is the thing we're looking for, and then one of them is some other thing. Statement 2, and so it looks like a similar thing from the second part of our factored expression. We get 3R plus 2 could be equal to S, or 4R minus 6 is equal to S. So this is same position as the first statement. This will be insufficient. What about them together? So together, the only things we know to be true are our equations that appear in both statements. And so 4R plus 9 is equal to S, and 4R minus 6 is equal to S. Well, we can't use those anymore because both of our statements don't share those in common. The only equation they have in common is this guy here. 3R plus 2 is equal to S, which is exactly what we are looking for. So together it is sufficient to say yes, S is equal to 3R plus 2. And C is our answer. And I didn't have to graph a single thing.